The Smartech JS15000 is a 15,000 milliamp jump starter and portable power bank designed to safely jumpstart a dead battery in seconds and provides charging capabilities to your mobile devices including smartphones, tablets, and laptop computers. In addition, the JS15000 can power 12-volt car accessories. Let's take a closer look at the Smartech JS15000. As you can see, this jump starter and portable power bank features a clean, simple design and only weighs 21 ounces. On the one side, you will find the power button, the charging input, and two outputs that can connect your laptop computer. The red power button powers the unit on, off, and operates the LED flashlight. Next to the power button are two outputs that allow you to connect your laptop computer. Connecting a wide variety of laptops is easy with the included charger tips. As you move up to the top of the unit, you will find the 5 LED charging indicators that provide you a clear visual of the charging status. Charging the JS15000 only takes 7 hours to complete, and a single charge can last up to 1 year. The front features a built-in bright 3-watt LED flashlight with 3 operation modes: on, strobe, and SOS. Next to the flashlight are 2 USB outputs for powering and charging your smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices. Located next to the USB ports is the jump starter and 12-volt accessories port. The 12-volt JS15000 can jumpstart 12-volt vehicle batteries over 20 times on a single charge. This port is also used to power your 12-volt car accessories via the included 12-volt adapter. The Smartech JS15000 jump starter and power bank come with a wide selection of accessories to make connecting and powering everything we discussed in this video. For more information on the JS15000 or any of our other Smartech products, visit the official smarttechproduct.com website.